Show me what you got. Hey, show me what you got. Hey.
What's up, everybody? This is Calico the Truth Reviews, and I got the Govee Ultra Light Panels. Actually, the Hexagon Light Panels Ultra. So these come in lunar white. It's 10 pieces. I wanted to go ahead and put this up above some of my workspace up in here in my game room, so it can actually look a little bit more fancier. Give it a little bit more pizzazz. Just pop a little bit more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox these, go ahead and show you guys what comes in the box, as well as how these things operate. Hopefully it's a quick and easy setup, but we will see. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open up the box and see what all comes inside. All right, so it's saying here on the box that it comes with the 10 light panels, one control box, user manual, and a power adapter. And then it's showing some of the designs with Govee. I guess some of their products that they have, like different light bars and stuff like that. You can also add more panels to it to create different designs and things like that. So that's pretty cool. So far it just has some of the designs on the front as well on the sides, and then has some more designs on the sides. All right. So let's go ahead and open up the box, shall we? Got a box and a box. Pry it open. All right. Whew, those things are huge. Okay, so it says Govee making life smarter. Line and surface illumination technology. All right. So with 10 pieces, it's showing you some of the designs that you can actually do for 10 pieces. It shows you the pieces for 20. Just showing you what you can do. Like you can make a snail out of 20 pieces, like you make some type of swivel out of 20 pieces, and this thing here. But
like a military plane.
Oh, it looks like a military plane. Yeah, it does kind of like a military plane. I think I might try and go for something like that, because I do like the hammer. You know what I'm saying? It looked like almost like Thor's hammer almost. So, you know, I always like dropping the hammer, but it is what it is, y'all. All right. Just giving you an idea of what you can kind of do with it, but you can always fit it to your liking, whether you just want to just put the squares in place and just have them lit up just because you like the design itself. So let's just go ahead and take them out the box, see what they look like, go from there. All right. Looks like... Oh, they got a lot of panels here.
What's pancakes?
Yeah, they got them all together here. When installing, press the light panel for 30 seconds to firmly fix to the surface. So, these things are trying to come out of here, so I don't want to mess them up. Let's set these to the side. Well, as like these are some as well. So I guess that makes our 10. Let's see what else comes in the box here. All right, so this is nothing but foam, and look like this may be your adapter, like your charger and other contents that may come in the box here. Oh, look like you have I guess these are the connectors. Like these are the little connectors that go to them. So show you what one looks like. So it's just like a little connector. Pretty simple, straightforward. So gonna go ahead and start filling with it to see if we can come up with something, and go from there. Let's see what else comes in the box, you guys. All right. Okay, look like you have a power adapter, and it's white. Ugh, that's nasty. That's gonna get dirty. But nevertheless, let's see what else we got. Okay, you got an AC adaptive power cord here. So almost look like a PS5 power cord, almost. It kind of almost looks like that. And then you have your 2-prong connection. All right, what else do we get? Oh, we get more stuff. Whoopee. We also get more cards here, warranty and user manual information, so you can actually use this for Dream View, where you can sync up all your lights via everything, since there's Govee. I'm sorry, I pronounced it wrong, Govee. Since pretty much it's a Govee product, you can actually sync everything up together using the Govee floor lamp 2, as well as the Govee TV backlight 3. You know, all these words just getting me tongue twisted right now. Govee, the Govee TV backlight 3, as well as the Govee floor lamp 2. So you can actually sync both of those up, actually, to be able to use those all cohesively in sync with one another. All right. So let's go ahead and set these to the side. Like, you got an alcohol prep pad, so you can actually clean the surface where you're going to stick these. So I'm gonna set that to the side, and like, we got some more connectors here. Oh, and you got a leveler. Okay, so they gave you a little leveler in the box, so you can level things, which I won't really need though, but okay, so you can level those. Let's see. And what else we got? Like, this might be the control box here. Yes, it is. It is the control box here, so you can control the lights and also just what you want to do with them as far as putting, powering them on. I guess you can cycle them on to different modes with the actual control module here. So actually gonna get that a shot once we finally get everything set up and working in just a sec, you guys. So bear with me for a second. We're gonna go and pause the video and start trying to connect some of these things, and we will come back with you guys once we finally figure everything out. Yeah, but I didn't do the cutout part. So this is just the cutout part here, where you can pick your design, and then also you can refer back to how many pieces. And then I just chose my design, so I'm gonna go with this design so far, and then go ahead and apply it to the wall here. So I will come back with a dedicated next step on my video to show you guys what it actually looks like. All right. It works. Well, that's the end result. Look like just gotta configure the colors here on the Govee app. So this is a Glide Hexa Ultra. Okay. So let's try blue. Thought I did. I guess maybe not. Hey, what's up, everybody? Calico the True Reviews. And yeah, I just finished. Well, me and the wife, I had to give her credit. We got through putting up the Govee Hexagon lights, the Ultras, and it looks very magnificent. I'm loving the new detail. Yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video, but everything syncs up together. I am gonna do a follow-up video just in reference to it, just to show you guys exactly what it looks like, everything in general. But I do plan on putting up some more lights, so I know it's gonna be mad OD down here. So, you know, we gonna have fun with it, man. We're gonna have fun, all right? So with that being said, I do appreciate you guys for watching the video, and I do appreciate you guys for stopping through on the video for me. And if you do like this video, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, we're gonna pick up with you guys a little bit later on. And please stay tuned for my next few reviews and unboxings that I do got planned on the channel. And you guys take care of yourselves and each other. This has been Calico the Truth Reviews, and these lights are super dope. You guys take care of yourselves and each other, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next video. Deuces.